Hello.
This is a very difficult and controversial subject, issue for the American people, and I have given a great deal of long, hard thought to this. For both sides, I think this may well be the most sensitive issue in the campaign. What was the question?
10 seconds, Mr. President. 5, 4,
My fellow Americans,
3, 2.
Merry Christmas to all of you and good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.